In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view referral code in GCash 2025. If you want to invite friends and earn rewards, your referral code is the key. I'll walk you through where to find it and what to do if the app asks for extra security prompts along the way so you can share your code quickly and safely. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that you're logged into your verified account. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to grab the latest version from your app store to avoid missing any referral features or buttons that may have moved. Once you're on the home screen, look for the section labeled Promos or the option called Invite and Earn. Depending on updates, you might see Invite Friends, Rewards, or a banner that mentions referral bonuses. Tap that. This is where GCash typically displays your unique referral code and the share options. You'll usually see buttons to copy the code, share it via your messaging apps, or send an invite link directly. If your code doesn't appear immediately, give the page a moment to load or try revisiting the section from the home screen. If the app directs you to confirm your identity before showing or sharing your code, go into your security settings. You can reach this from your profile or settings icon on the home screen. Here you'll find options for biometrics and device security that control how the app authenticates certain actions, including viewing or sharing referral content. On some devices, especially those using facial recognition, you may need to temporarily disable Face ID to proceed smoothly. Turn off Face ID within the app's security settings so you can use your PIN instead. This can help if the biometric prompt keeps looping or fails to verify while you're trying to access Invite and Earn. Keep in mind, this is just a troubleshooting step to get the code visible and shareable. When prompted, confirm that you want to disable Face ID. After confirming, return to Promos or Invite and Earn. Your referral code should now display clearly, along with options to copy or share it. If you're sharing by link, double check that the preview shows GCash and that the link looks complete before sending. For best results, share directly from the app's buttons so your code attaches properly, and remind your friends to sign up using the link or enter the code during registration to make sure both of you receive the rewards.